Yabona, if there's one thing I appreciate nge-industry ngesikhathi se-internet is the ability to introduce umuntu to ama-artist amasha okuwukuthi ane-potential yokudominate i-game. And vandag siniphathele one such artist, igama lakhe uManV. Ushaye ingoma bathi badlalile ngathi ufeature uMjolisi. Njengoba sengishilo-ke siniphathele i-track likaManV bathi badlalile ngathi uvaya noMjolisi. Kule track leli kusho ukuthi manje uManV uringa ngesimo somuntu ophume kwi-relationship and manje usebonga ukuthini uphumile la, cause basically la bekakhona lo muntu lo bekazitshela ukuthi uphila ngaye, uyangithola. And manje naye sekasesimeni sokuthi ufuna ukuveza ukuthi ayazini angizishaye ngawe Joe, uyangithola. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngizenzele izinto ngendlela yami and just basically do my thing, uyangithola. So i-track li-uplifter umuntu who might have come from a situation where they thought, oh yazini angeke ngisaphuma or mangihlukana nalo muntu angeke ngize ngibe next, ukuthi nah man, you can still be yourself, you can still recover and actually become something after a relationship. Yabo, kungabi lezimo lezi ukuthi abantu bagcine bacova iy'nqumo ezingekho grand where they end up taking their lives because bafile ngathi like le relationship leyo beyibadefine and ngaphandle kwayo bakhona ukuba yilutho. So ingoma iyasiza ukuthi abantu bekwazi ukuthi bezibuyise, ngithola. Especially young adults, we can relate to it because most of us have been through relationships. We've had our hearts broken at this point. So izimo esizaziyo lezo, ngithola. Without nje ukwanda kade sizoqala si-rate ingoma yethu based on lawo ma-category wethu i4 are-famous, which is i-rhythm, i-lyrical content, production, i-arrangement. And for i-rhythm ingoma ngoba ilandela isigqi somaskandi, umuntu omdala obelalela umaskandi ngey'khathi zobaba uMtshengiseni noMgqumeni can still listen to it. And then intsha yesimanje manje, ama-2K, ama-Gen Z, nabo futhi basengayilalela because it has that pop element ukuthi it sings mostly about love songs, imelo, akusinto yabo egxile kakhulu like ey'ntweni zokulwa or ini. So iyakwazi ukuthi ingenise nasentsheni or kwisimanje manje. So for that it receives a 25% score. And then sizongena kwi-second category yethu, i-lyrical content. For lyrical content, essentially what is being said kule ngoma akusinto entsha kodwa ingendlela eshiwo ngakhona, mhlawumbe singasho sithi yiyo entsha okwekaManV yedwa, akusinto yawonke umuntu. But ngenxa yokuthi akusinto esimangazayo sizoyinikeza iscore sika-23%, yabo. But yona ingoma imnandi, you understand. And then singidlule singene kwi-category yethu ye-production. For i-production ingoma izothola u-25%. Mina-ke ngimusha kumsebenzi kaManV, angimazi kangakho, but ngithe mangingena ku-Spotify ngi-check ama-credits, iveza ukuthi le iproduce umuntu abathi uSchomi. Abaziyo-ke mhlawumbe amagalelo wakhe banga-mention kuma-comments, sizokwazi ukuthi sibheke nomunye umsebenzi kamuntu kuthiwa uSchomi naye simhlaziye, because we would also like to get into all producer and talk about umsebenzi wabo, singahlezi sicover ama-artist kuphela. And then going forward sizongena kwi-final category ye-arrangement, which is u-25%. Yeah, ingoma ithole u-25% for i-arrangement, okusho ukuthi mesizihlangene zizonke lama-element lawa, i-rhythm, i-lyrical content, i-production nanokuphelela kwayo ziba kanjani. So sizonikeza iscore sika-98. Essentially it gets 98% ngenxa yokuthi i-opinion yethu and ingendlela thina esifila ngayo ngengoma, umlaleli naye angakwazi ukuthi uyozilalelela yona. Sizofaka i-link kuma-description bese nibuye mhlawumbe nisitshele kuma-comment ukuthi nina nicabangani ngayo, nanamanye futhi amaciko enifuna siwahlaziye. Siyabonga. Danko.